Hey, what's going on everybody, Shivam here, and in this video, I'll give you my review of the Bolt earphones and we'll see if they are any good. So before I talk anything about these earphones, let's dive straight into the unboxing of these earphones first. So here is the Amazon packet, and if I quickly shake it off, here we have the retail packaging of the Bolt itself. Here it says Bolt wired earphones, and below that it says metallic build and leather wire. Now here we can see an image of the Bolt itself, and it also says deep bass, which we will test out in few minutes, but for now we can also see it says premium wired earphones and 3.5mm gold plated jack. Now moving to the back of the box, we can also see that earphones are sitting nicely in the package, and below that we can also see the maximum retail price of these earphones, which is $999. As like any other earphones, we also get a 1-year warranty for any damage. Now on the last side, it says inline remote control, hands-free mic and calls, extra earbuds, lightweight, premium leather cable, stereo sound and in-ear comfort. So that's it for the readings on the box, and now let's quickly shake this off again and see what we get inside it. So inside the box we get the earphones itself. As a first impression, they feel very lightweight and small in size, but let's put this aside for a moment and see what else do we have here. So here we have some extra ear tips for precise fit, some user manuals, but we don't need it I guess. So that was a quick unboxing of the Bolt, and now let's move to the review of these earphones. Now let's start from the design of these earphones. They look like just any other earphones, except they are very tiny in size than what you are used to see. If we compare this to any other earphones, they look very small. Other than that, the Bolt is also very lightweight earphones, weighing around 11 grams, so you would hardly notice they are in your ears. Also, the earphones are very comfortable to wear and they fit tightly in the ears. Now also talking about the cable is of standard 1.2 meter length and it is leather braided cable. Also the cable is very decent looking in terms of build quality. One thing I do want to mention here is that the cable is fine, but I don't know why I'm a bit skeptical about it. But when you pick up the cable, it feels like it's going to fray in few more months. But for now, it's okay. Other than the cable, the earphones look solid, and with the metallic earbuds, I think it's going to last quite a long time with me, even with rough handling. Moving on, we also get a multi-function button to play, pause, Google Assistant or Siri, answering calls and changing songs. But you can only go to the next song, not the previous one. Now along with button, we do get an inline mic to answer calls. Speaking of which, this is the quality of the inline mic. So those were the things that you can ignore for a second, but let's talk about what we cannot overlook, which is sound quality. Now the earphones have a 12mm driver and it produces a good frequency response of 20Hz to 20 kHz, but in terms of sound, I would say they are very decent sounding earphones. In my experience, I found that they produce excellent bass frequencies. I would say the clearest and powerful bass I've ever heard in an earphone like this, but when it comes to mid and high frequencies, they fall apart. The vocals and other instruments like synth, electric guitar or anything with high frequencies are very unclear. You will have a hard time finding those in the song, but if you only want to listen to bass heavy songs like those headbangers, then you can give them a shot. But for acoustic, pop and rock, this is something you shouldn't consider. Instead, you should go with something like a JBL C200si or the Sennheiser CX 180, and I also did a comparison video of both of these earphones, which you can find in the top right corner in the info card. So the last thing I want to talk about in this video is the pricing of these earphones. So the Bolt is priced at 899 rupees, but you can always find lightning deals and you can get these earphones for 799 rupees from the links down below in the description. But as far as the pricing goes, I think they are a bit on the pricey side. For 800-900 rupees, you can get a really good pair of earphones like a JBL C200si or the CX 180. So that was today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, just click the like button below. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.